2018 Ford F-150. With less than 68,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats. We are here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.